Hello everyone! Welcome to Easy Drawing and Painting channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute cat and a dog. Let's start drawing. First time I'm going to draw a cute little dog. Then I draw his eyes. His nose, and his mouth, and a mouth with his tongue. Very good. I just draw the shoulders, like this. Please subscribe your channel. Now, let's draw a cute cat. I draw her eyes, like this. Her nose and her mouth. I draw her shoulder, too. Finally, I draw the favorite food, here. I draw the delicious bone on top of the cat. Skeleton of the fish. Big marker to make this beautiful drawings more visible. I love it. Now, let's start coloring. Green color. Brown color. Red color. Pink color. Yellow color. Red color. Green color. Blue color. Pink color. Purple color. Gray color. It's so beautiful. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you the next video.